September is Realtor Safety Month, and I wanted to do this video to share my own best practices for safely showing homes and holding open houses. My name is Tompkins, and I'm a real estate agent here in Olympia, Washington. The tips I share here are based on my own experiences and training since I started as an agent in 2018. Let's get right into it. When you arrive at the home you're showing, parking in the street instead of in the driveway will help ensure that another vehicle doesn't block you in. We all do it. The instant we have 2 seconds to kill, we start messing around on our phones. But make sure you remain aware of your surroundings, including behind you, and keep your car doors locked, especially when you're distracted. As soon as you and your party are safely inside, make sure to lock the front door. I like to explain to buyers why I'm doing this. I'd rather have another agent knock on the door than have someone unexpectedly enter the house behind me. Always watch for signs of squatters. I once previewed a home where someone had clearly been shooting up in the bathroom. There was blood all over the walls and sink. The second you see this, don't touch anything and get out. Pay extra close attention if the home can be previewed by the general public using an app. Realtors, we know that we're not allowed to tell prospective buyers that an area is unsafe or a bad area, and this is because doing so can violate federal fair housing laws. But we know that there are bad areas. Especially if you're showing a home to buyers for the first time or if the area is unsafe, have a safety team in place. Let them know when you arrive, how long you expect to be there, and when you expect to leave. When you leave the showing, let them know that you're safe. Many agents have a prearranged safety phrase they can use with someone under duress, such as, "Can you please see if the red folder is on my desk?" or something similar. This will alert your safety person that you're in trouble. You may be able to call emergency services by acting a feature on your phone. Make sure you know how to do this, and check your settings so that these features are set up the way that you want. Have a clear pathway out of the home and don't compromise it. If you're about to enter a closet, basement, or room with someone you don't really know, allow them to go ahead of you. "Please, after you," or "I'll follow you," usually works well. If someone is pressuring you to go first, that may be a red flag. I personally don't love showing homes after dark, and you may not either. It's much harder to see potential threats hiding in the shadows after the sun has gone down. Actor Matthew Perry used to go to open houses and search medicine cabinets for narcotics. It happens, and if Chandler Bing would do this, others would too. Whether you're a listing agent or just hosting an open house, it's a good practice to remind the owners to secure their items of value: laptops, cash, jewelry, other valuables, and yes, prescription drugs. Speaking of open houses, consider holding your next open with a partner. Another agent, a significant other, or a lender, someone to serve as a second set of eyes who has your back. One final note on open houses. I once had a couple rush into an open house and quickly split up. One was clearly attempting to divert my attention so that the other could either case the house or steal items, maybe like my laptop. A buddy can be very helpful here. If you choose to carry a firearm or other defensive device, know how to use it and keep it within reach. If you carry, but your pistol is in your purse downstairs, it's not going to do any good. Be aware that some thieves may intentionally leave a door or window unlocked during an open house or home showing, planning to return later. You check all of those before you leave the property, right? Good. Sellers appreciate your commitment to keeping their homes safe. One final point. Trust your gut. Did someone unexpectedly join your buyer unannounced for a home showing? Did several people join? Is there a weird vibe? Pay attention to your instincts. And if in doubt, get out. Your safety comes first. I hope this video gave you something to think about and will help you be a better and safer agent. These are the ideas that I brainstormed based on my personal experience. If you have your own practices that you'd like to share, please comment so that we can all learn from them. Thanks for watching and be safe out there. Happy house hunting.